In this video, we're going to show you how to use the auto cleaning feature or backflushing feature on a Sanremo commercial espresso machine. For this video, we're going to need a 58mm cleaning blank, a portafilter, a cleaning brush, and a powder for use with a commercial espresso machine. The first thing we're going to do is use a cleaning brush to remove any coffee grounds and oils from the group gasket. Put the machine onto a continuous flow and scrub the group gasket. Next, we're going to show you how to use the auto cleaning function. We need a portafilter, a cleaning blank, and a powder for use with commercial espresso machines. First, take the portafilter and use the cleaning blank to remove the old basket. Insert the new basket. Take a small amount of powder, usually around half a measure. We advise only using a small amount to prevent blocking the group valve. Insert the portafilter into the head and push button 1 and 5 simultaneously to use the auto cleaning feature. We're going to run through 2 cycles with powder. We're going to then flush the head through and then use 2 cycles of water. The machine has now done 1 cycle of 5 flushes with powder. We're now going to run through another cycle of 5 flushes with powder before removing the handle, flushing the head with fresh water, and then starting the procedure again with just clear water. Now that we've run through 2 cycles with cleaning powder, we're going to remove the handle and flush clear water through the head, and then we're going to start the procedure again with just fresh water and no powder.